Hello, friends. Today I'm going to tell you a story called The Mystery Drone. It was a Saturday, just like any other Saturday, when Megan and her dog Bess went for a walk with her best friend Billy. Megan talked with Billy while Bess ran around sniffing bushes. Bess soon came towards them with an unidentified object in her mouth. Megan was surprised and said, "What have you got in your mouth now, Bess?" and scolded Bess. But Billy did not share this anger. He said, "Whoa, cool! That's a drone. I've seen one of those." Megan said, what?" Billy said, "A drone. Loads of my friends have them. They're cool. You can fly them, and lots of them have cameras useful for recording videos or movies." Megan was surprised, but then she decided to examine the drone. "Look, there's something written on it." Billy looked and read aloud, "Help." "Why is there help written on it? Who needs help and where?" Megan said, "I think we need to show this to my dad. He will surely know what to do." They took the drone to Megan's dad. When Dad opened the door, Bess jumped up and licked Dad for a long time, and Dad had to get up and push Bess away and say, "Down, girl, down." And then Dad said to Megan and Billy, "What are you two doing here? Why are you here? Did something happen?" Megan said, "No, Dad, nothing happened. We just need your help to solve the mystery. Look, we found this drone," and Bess was about to break it when we took it from her. "There is help written on it. Can you please tell us who needs help and where?" Megan's dad examined the drone and said, "I've seen one of these before. Some of my friends have them. They use these for recording movies. This should have a camera on it." Billy said, "Well, look, there's a camera on it." Yes, truly there was. Near the wings there was one micro camera. "I know what we can do. Why don't you just take the camera recording and you record and show us the recording on your laptop?" Dad decided to do that and said, "Okay, I'll get my laptop." And he went and brought the laptop. They read the message again and again while Dad brought the laptop just to see if there was any clue. And then Dad hooked the camera recording to the computer. The scene started with the camera pointing at the face of a boy. Megan and Billy both said, "Look, it's Shivam." But Megan wasn't sure. So she said, "Billy, it's Shivam, isn't it?" "Yes," Billy said. "I am not 100% sure that it is Shivam." And then the drone flew up and went above a river. On the river there was a old bridge above it, and Megan suddenly made a breakthrough and shouted, "Look, why do this view is from top? Why don't we use a map on the internet, for it shows views from the top?" "Great idea, Megan," said Dad, and brought out his mobile phone and compared it and said, "Look, I know where it is. That old bridge is used to go to Pete's farm. It is far away. It will take us at least an hour to get there." 1 hour later, they were there. There were 3 roads. One road looked like no one had got there for 5 years. The other looked as if it was going to fall, going to break. And the third was very, very dark. There were trees all around it and through it. Megan suddenly said, "I don't think Shivam would go through the dark road." They were just about to go to decide which road to go when Bess jumped out from her seat in the car and splashed into the river and splashed water all over the others, and then ran up and took the third road, the one which was dark and led through the forest. There she stopped in front of a giant oak tree and barked. A small voice came out and said, "Who is there?" Megan and Billy both recognized the voice and said, "Shivam, it's us, Megan and Billy." Shivam explained what had happened to him while Dad carried him down from the tree and to the ground. Shivam said, "I was testing out my new drone when it got stuck into the branches of that tree. I climbed up to bring the drone down, but I was not able to get down. So I used the drone and flew it to the park. But unfortunately, the battery ran out." Billy said, "Well, Shivam, it's a good thing that you had a pencil. I have many more things in my pockets," said Shivam, and they all knew that it was true. Shivam truly had many, many things in his pockets. Dad said to Bess, "Well, Bess, computers and mobiles are maybe very clever, but none of them are half as clever as you." Bess barked and all the others laughed too. Well guys, this is the end of the video. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye, and remember The challenge is going on. You'd better be listening carefully to every video I upload to win the challenge. Well, guys, bye.